Woodrow.
Okay, left ear. That ear's dirty.
Uh-oh.
You're a grungy little guy.
Woodrow.
He's like, I'm the one who goes and rolls in the dirt.
Woodrow. Oh, it's okay. Woodrow. Hey, baby. Hey, Mommy's here. I'm here.
It's okay.
I'm here.
He's like, I'm not going to be entertained by you.
Woodrow.
So who are you going to keep?
Well, I'm hoping to co-own. It'll be either Wilson or
This
Woodrow
one. Okay.
with a lady.
I like Wilson's head a lot.
Do you?
Yeah.
Yeah, she likes him too.
I like the bone and his head.
I'm kind of partial to him because he's going to be a little bit more moderate, I think. And I like.
But I go back to
Henri.
I love
like
Beth's
Henri.
old stuff, and I love
Who?
all that bone. Beth White's old stuff with all the
mine
bone
are
and
way down from Beth.
yeah. So, but he looks like
yes,
her type.
Yes.
So I have a tendency to be partial
Yeah.
to those. Normal.
Yeah, Beth has nice dogs.